In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the toggle panel in Visual Studio Code. If you've ever been working in Visual Studio Code and suddenly your panel at the bottom disappears, or you're not sure how to bring it up, this video is for you. The panel is where you see things like the terminal, output, problems, and debug console, so being able to quickly show and hide it is really important for a smooth workflow. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. Once the app is running, look toward the bottom of the window. Normally, when the panel is visible, you'll see tabs like Terminal or Problems down there. But if the panel is hidden, your editor will simply stretch all the way to the bottom. To bring that panel back using your mouse, move your cursor to the upper right area of the panel region. You should see a small icon that looks like a horizontal bar or a square with a line, depending on your theme. This is the toggle panel button. When the panel is open, clicking this icon will hide it. When it's hidden, clicking the same icon will show it again. Think of it as a simple on and off switch for that bottom area. Now, if you prefer using the keyboard, there's a very handy shortcut you can use instead. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and J together. That's Ctrl plus J. This shortcut does exactly the same thing as clicking the toggle button. If the panel is currently hidden, Ctrl J will make it appear. If the panel is showing, Ctrl J will hide it. You can tap this combination as often as you like to quickly switch the panel on and off while you work. This keyboard shortcut is especially useful when you're coding and need more vertical space to read your files. You can hide the panel while you focus on your code, and then quickly bring it back whenever you need to check your terminal output or look at any error messages. To recap, you have two simple ways to show the toggle panel in Visual Studio Code. Click the toggle panel icon near the bottom right of the window, or use the Ctrl plus J keyboard shortcut to open and close it instantly. Try both methods and choose the one that feels most natural for you.